yeah. Come here, hold up. Hold up, yeah, just right there. Hold on, come here, yeah, F out, yeah, you know what the fuck happening. Feel, hold up, yeah, hold up, yeah, come here, we run.
What's funny? What you laughing at?
No.
You look good. You look good. Though. I like your smile though.
Thank you. Dang, I was gonna troll y'all, but it was too late. Y'all found me laughing already.
It ain't no y'all. It's a one man band right now.
Oh wow.
Let me see a tattoo right there on your hand. You got a whole sleeve. What else? You ain't got no more tattoos?
I have 6 tattoos.
What the other ones? I can't see the other one.
I have one right there, one right there. I have the world on my hand.
What you think about a back tat? You go get a back? You think you gonna get a back tat?
Yeah, actually, I was thinking about doing my whole back.
Your whole back? I don't know. Why you don't get like a spinal cord joint? That shit look sexy on your back.
I don't know.
Why? What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? Just
because I know that boys like that. So.
What you mean, boys like that? It's gonna like anyway, cause it's a tat on the back. What you mean?
Well,
it's gonna be a turn on regardless though. You feel me? What's your name though? I didn't even get your name though.
My name is on the screen.
But I want to hear it out your voice though. Your voice sounds cute. I like. There you go. See, like now that shit's. How you ask though?
How old I am? I'm 19.
Yeah. I'm 18. So I'm 18. You got Instagram or something? Keep in touch or some shit. Come on. You ain't got no Instagram or nothing?
Yeah, but I don't think I'll text you guys just because I love God.
But that don't mean nothing though. That's just a new friend. You feel me? Ain't nothing new. Just a new friend.
I don't like having non-Christian friends.
What you mean non-Christian friend? How you know if I'm Christian or not? I don't look Christian though.
No, you're just on here, so I know you're not Christian.
you say I'm just on here?
Yeah.
I didn't skip. She skipped my ass. Yo.
Are you from like Virginia?
Yeah.
I'm from Maryland.
Oh, I'll be up there sometimes. I got a question. You can rate me. Bro, I'm on the mic. Yeah, me right here. Didn't you go to Verizon?
The light skinned one, like 8.5.
Me? Ain't trying to. Hold on.
Follow that drink right now.
Ain't trying to start nothing, but can you tell dude to back up? He's scaring me.
Oh!
Ain't it?
Richmond,
oh my God.
It's DMV up in here.
What's up?
Let me just get the Instagram already. Yeah, you right there.
He talking to me or you? He not talking. Yeah, he talking to the gray.
You're talking to me.
I'm talking to you though.
I don't know who you talking to.
We don't know which one. Like, I'm confused.
It's getting straight DMV.
Right here, John.
Yo. Bro, what you need to talk for? What you talking about, nigga? Fuck. But don't follow that one, bro.
I'm so confused, y'all. What is going on?
Hey, the light skin drink. Well, I want the light skin drink. Light skin drink.
What they think this is?
Y'all think this a dating app or something?
Nah. It's just when I see something good, I want it.
How about he gets your Instagram?
That's why I said that the first one me.
Okay, look hers.
My Instagram is dmv.org.
Hold on. Where is it?
DMV.
It's these average DMV dudes.
Yeah.
No, I ain't from DMV. I'm from Richmond, baby.
Okay, you close.
You said DMV what?
.rg.
RG?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, go ahead. She said, hey, yo, that's girl.
Wait, what? I'm confused.
Yo, watch out. Yo.
Bro, what the fuck?
Why
So many
is it so many?
That's a bitch.
Hey, the one in the braces. Hey, braces. Hey, brace face, you mine. Just letting you know off rip. Alright, so
Oh.
go. Hold on, cuz. Bro, she just said, bro, I got the mic on, bro. You see how this shit going? This like motherfucking Juliet and Romeo and Juliet, motherfucking. Alright,
It's
hold on.
too many.
It's too many niggas, but that shit is gay. Alright, huh?
Y'all only got one.
Can they hear? Can they hear? You heard me?
Hey, follow me, baby.
Follow me, baby.
Hey, your smile pretty. What you say?
Thank you. I don't follow
Oh.
Spanish.
That's not no. You want my main? God damn. But what is my main?
Oh, you cute. Not you.
No.
He can't even hear me.
He can't hear you.
Nah, I could hear y'all.
See?
One of.
Which one? Or which one said I'm cute?
Hola.
Oh wait,
Hola,
they can.
¿cómo estás?
Estoy bien. ¿Y tú?
No, I don't know how to speak Spanish. But you gotta teach me a little something.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
You're not.
But my money tall though. My money tall though. Age don't matter. My money tall. And I'm more mature. Oh my god.
I got bricked. I'm rock. 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 I'm rock.
We never skipped you.
Y'all skip me.
Word of my
Yes,
mother,
you
I ain't
did.
skip you.
I didn't press it. I didn't press
I
it.
ain't press shit.
He did. Right there. He did. No, he did.
Who skipped?
Yep, you. Yes, you did. What of y'all did?
Well, he ain't gonna skip now. You look.
Y'all just had me. Ain't
Oh
one of
yeah,
y'all skipped me.
we got you again. See how God work?
I'm starting to stand on business.
I understand.
Of course, I'm getting shot.
I ain't even.
But I can't.
Nah, he just trying to make sure, cause you know a lot of people like to assume.
It's no ill.
But I do have a question, y'all.
Yeah. What's the question?
Is my face like slimming down? Like,
What's the
Nah,
question?
you look good, just like that.
is it slimmer? Like,
She said her
I
face
didn't
like it's slimming
skip.
down. The fuck all that skipping shit. She here
But
now.
is it?
That's in the past. Nah, it's good. You look good. You look good.
But is it slim though? Like to y'all?
Nah, it's perfect.
I just need a specific answer because I'm asking this for a reason.
Yeah. If you want it, yes. If you want to hear yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Don't lie.
I'm gonna dead ass, yes.
Okay, what y'all think about? What y'all think about my smile?
I think that's the best feature.
Thank you. So y'all not gonna skip me no more?
That's like the best feature. Huh? What you say?
Or y'all want me to
Bro,
find
hell
out?
no. Bro, chill out, bro. That's all me, man. Bro, come on, Kanye. Like, what you doing, bro? Chill out. Chill out. This shit. Follow me.
Alright, give me 1 second.
Alright, don't worry about them Instagrams that's coming through. Don't worry about it, alright?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, yeah, good girl.
Hold on.
Y'all can hear me? Can y'all hear me?
Who? Me? Come on in.
She said,
What you still doing over there?
She said, come on then. What you still doing over there?
Come on in. What you still doing over there?
And what after that? No, I'm joking.
Hey.
You don't know what I'm watching. Hey. Oh my god, that shit.
How y'all doing? Is that a
We're doing
slut?
good.
Okay. All the house over there. Type shit y'all right there.
Gonna hope it's okay. I can leave alone.
God damn. That's a lot of y'all. Hold on. God damn. How many is y'all in there?
Who's that, bro?
Oh no. It's Rizzing.
What the fuck?
Get a phone to the dude. Get a phone to the dude. Real quick.
Sorry?
Give the phone to the dude. Yeah, give him the phone. Yo, you in that bitch with some shitter bitches, you ain't cracked nothing yet. You better not be a faggot, nigga. Fuck is you talking about, dummy?
No!
You nut ass young boy. You nut ass young boy. You ain't cracked none of that shit, y'all.
Where you from?
I'm from Philly. Yeah.
We're from the UK.
Oh, the fucking UK, you fucking bomb. The fucking UK. Yeah, some tea, yeah?
What's in the fucking UK? What the fuck, man?
The fucking bomb clock, my yo.
Not the guy. Hey,
You have some tea.
let's play this.
You have some tea. You have some tea.
We're allergic to. No.
You're allergic to tea.
Yeah.
So you want some fucking bread?
We want some bread.
You want some bread or some chicken?
What are you talking about? This accent is not. Are you trying to copy us or something?
No, I'm not trying to copy you. I'm from V on the phone. Yo, hey, yo, little bro, you nut ass young boy. Yo. Hey, come here, Jay. You in the middle. Why she holding the Hey, don't go there. Young boys need to step up real quick. We talking about growth. Hey, real rap. How old y'all live though? Hey, how old y'all live? I'm not as fuck. Matching PJs and shit. Hey, how old y'all live?
I'm 17. We grown.
Nah, y'all all 17 in that bitch. We 17.
What's so fucking funny? Biscuit.
Oh. Fuck. Shit, nah, you ain't playing. You know what these is? He fucking T timing, y'all. God damn. Wait, hold on.
Huh.
God damn, hold on. There's no way she on this app and she don't got no.
Yeah.
You got a nigga.
I got a nigga now.
And you look too good to have no nigga. I'm gonna pass it to one of my
I
guys.
don't need no nigga.
I know they're gonna start riding the bike.
You said what?
What's up, mom?
Hi.
What your name is?
My name's My Love.
Where you from?
I'm from AZ. Where you from?
I'm from Virginia.
Yeah.
How old you
What
is,
you doing
baby?
out there? I'm 19. How old are you?
I'm 19 too.
Type shit. What you got? Instagram?
You say you want my Instagram?
You got Instagram number? Something?
Yeah, I'm ready to put my number in here. Put my number in here. 804. Hey, look. Who's that right there? That's your nigga? Your brother? Cousin?
That's
that's
my
a girl.
friend.
Oh, that's a girl?
Yes.
Oh, you got a kid?
I take these motherfuckers. No, I ain't got no fucking kid. Hell no. Fuck them kids.
You look good as shit. I'm surprised nigga ain't leave it in you, feel me?
I don't even play like that. I was gonna abort that motherfucking kid.
Aboard.
Yeah.
Let me try how to vote. We fell. Hey, I will grab that fucking bandana and wipe my nuts off with it. I skipped because that shit was echoing. I skipped because that shit was echoing. Hey. Say my, ooh, mata mia. Hey, look, though. Where you from? West Porter.
Oh, that's in Utah.
That's in Utah.
I wasn't born.
You ever dated a black? You ever dated a black dude before?
Yeah, I've only dated 2 people, and yeah, they were black.
So I was in a
No matter.
poly relationship.
Huh?
Never mind. So like
Where's Henrico?
Enrico. It's called Henrico, but you know what I'm saying.
Oh.
It's wherever you at. You feel me?
No,
Wait,
where?
how old you is?
I'm 18, but I turned 19 in 7 days.
Oh shit. You better have a quinceañera. But that was fake.
No, quinceañera is
16.
when you're 15.
Oh,
15.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, quince. Yes.
So like, you got an Instagram?
Yeah, I don't post on Instagram, but I don't go there.
So what you be on?
Mainly just messages. Okay. 804. That's like Virginia.
Well, you know where it's at, yeah.
I fucking knew it. I'm big brain.
Well, you still live with your parents and shit?
Yes. For now. It's because I'm going to college.
Okay. What college you going to?
University of Utah.
Okay.
We had a lot of 5s.
I go to VSU, but right now I got my own place and my own car and shit. So I'm just trying to, but you know what I'm saying? Just trying to work.
Yeah. That's cool.
Text me so I know it's you. Text me your name.
Yeah. 801.
801?
Yeah.
Got it. Alright, baby. You look cute ass. Yeah! Nigga! It's me, Luigi! It's me, Mario Luigi! Oh my god, you fucking MILF. Well, how old you is before I say that?
What?
Huh? What the fuck he just say, bro? That shit was though. What he say?
Take me slow. Take me slow. Take me slow.
Alright, look. I'm gonna lay you down on your stomach. I'm gonna caress your back, grab on that ass, kiss you, just so you know
I'm 17. How old are you?
Are you 17?
Yeah, how old you is?
I'm 18. I'm too old.
Oh, that's what's up.
I'm too old.
Is you asking me or you telling me?
I'm asking.
No. Your ass 1 year older than me.
Grown ass man.
You's a little ass boy.
Man.
Be fucking for real.
Where you from?
I'm from Chicago. Where you from?
Philly.
Philly?
Yeah, but I'm in Richmond right now.
I don't even know where that's at.
What you like to do?
Your dreads hard though. They cute.
Yeah.
They not ass.
These niggas know in the trash can. These niggas been copping out this smoke. We done passed that.